Hey guys, welcome back. I am Selena from Digital Design. In this video, we will see how to upload a plugin that you previously downloaded on your computer. The plugins that you can find in the WordPress plugin library are always free. If you want to use a paid plugin or a plugin that is not featured in the WordPress library, you will need to download it from an external site. For example, Sumo Subscriptions plugin. This is a plugin that is used to create subscription products on your e-commerce website. Let's get started. Go to your browser. Type codecanyon.net. Then you will reach Code Canyon official website. In the search box, type Sumo Subscription. This is the premium plugin we're going to install. Click on it. Now, complete the purchase by Add to Cart button. After you have purchased a Sumo subscription, you will be able to download a zip file containing the plugin data. I have already downloaded the file, so we can move straight to uploading it to WordPress. We begin by clicking the Plugins menu item in the Admin menu. Then, we click on the Add New button that takes us to Add Plugins screen. You can see that in this screen. At the very top is the Upload Plugin button. We click the button, and the screen expands. Here, we can upload the Sumo subscription zip file we previously downloaded. Now, note that there is only an option to upload a file in zip format. If your plugin is downloaded in another format, you will need to contact your plugin provider and ask for assistance. Or wait for me to put the video on how to convert any format plugin into uploadable WordPress format. In this case, the Sumo subscription is neatly packed, so we can easily proceed. I choose the file from the Downloads folder. I press Open. And then Install Now. Now we wait for the installation to progress. Now click on Activate Plugin. And once it's done, we'll be taken to a new screen that informs us that the plugin was installed successfully. And we can see that the Sumo subscription icon appears in the toolbar. Where the plugin icons appear will differ per plugin. And some plugins will have no icons at all. In the next video, I will show you how to add subscription products with help of a Sumo subscription plugin. Now you know how to upload plugins that you have previously downloaded. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to Digital Design. Finally, thank you for watching.